everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Down at the Bay car show at the Cedar Bay Baptist Church. And this is Car Show Cam. It's a little cold to start the morning, but once we got out there, there were quite a few cars that showed up. I think it was even more than the organizers expected. But it was still a good show. So, anyway, I took a lot of video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Right there.
Quite a few cars here. So, what do we want to do here?
I don't know.
The Brotherhood of Rock Tour is coming to Daly's Place Monday, June 2nd, featuring Styx and Kevin Cronin, former lead singer of REO Speedwagon.
Well, wait a minute.
What?
Oh, okay, you're in a parking spot. All right. I thought you was fixing to go off in that ditch there.
No, I'm just parking for a second while I figure out what I want to do.
Every week. Get one line on unlimited welcome for $50 per month with autopay plus taxes and fees at your local Jacksonville Verizon store today.
What?
That VW, reckon he's got that rear axle cantered enough?
So, includes choice of junior bacon cheeseburger or crispy chicken sandwich with 4-piece nugs, junior
What?
fry, and small soft drink. U.S. price participation vary from prices in higher Alaska, Hawaii, and California, and via third-party delivery.
Car was in my blind spot when I started backing up.
Watch her. I guess you'll start the next row. I think he's wanting. Okay, we're good, he says.
I figure I'll just start right here. Leave room to...
Yeah. Wait a minute. You come up a little more.
Get your raffle tickets out. Let's look and see if you're a winner. We're looking for 03137532.
You got it once you straighten up.
0313
Yeah.
7532.
Alright.
Come on down to pick your prize. If you haven't yet done so, make sure you check out our vendors. Stop by the Bake Riders booth. Make sure you get some food. We've got barbecue, we've got lemonade, shaved ice, and dessert.
Hey John, he got a jump box. I got a jump box over here.
There you go. Thanks.
Oh man.
You're good now.
Come on, back it straight up into that parking spot.
Okay. Oh, there is a doctor's office here.
Now we gotta stop and get the pole cam.
Yeah. That was tedious.
Yep.
But you got it.
A lot more maneuvering than I thought it was gonna take.
Yeah. I think you could have made that corner
I don't know.
instead of backing up.
I only have so much turning radius to work with.
I know.
Because of the big old wheels on this thing.
Mm-hmm. Where's your camera at?
It's on the sewer thing right there by the stop sign.
Oh,
See
okay.
it?
Yeah. Okay. The cop just left. Looked like, or maybe he's still there. Yeah, he's still there.
Yeah, I kind of anticipated that was going to be a bit of a problem. When they started having cars show up, more and more cars show up.
Mm-hmm.
If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, Share this video. Even click that little subscribe button. Come on. You know you wanna.